just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing today? You guys, oh my god, I can't even lie, I miss Femi. But anyways, how are you guys doing? Like I earlier said, so in this video I'm going to be installing this wig. So this video is an in-depth video on how to install your lace front wig, like beginner friendly, because you guys, I took my time to install this wig because I knew I was going to wear this wig for a very long time. So by the time I'm making this voiceover, it's 3 days that I still have my wig on. Yeah. So let's get into this video. So this wig it's of 13 times 4 lace frontal wig, right? So it's actually a kinky wig. So as you guys can see, I'm trying to measure the wig and just make sure the thing fit in on my head properly. Why? Because the both side were too big, I believe. So yeah, I actually took my time. I mean, this install took me for I think 5 hours, if I'm not mistaken, about the glue. You guys, so right now I'm just going to use, because I've seen this method, right? So I decided to try this particular one, but man, I didn't see any stroke when I raised my wig up. I was like, why is this thing not working for me now? So I didn't see anything. I was like, let me just take it off. So I'm going to be cleaning my makeup. So I'm not going to be using my mist spray today. I'm going to be using what's the name of this thing? I think there is this glue I bought on AliExpress. I tried the glue off camera. I really liked it, and I wanted to give it a shot on this install. To be really honest, I was really scared because I don't want to mess up anything. I was like, let me just give it a shot, because when I used it off camera, I was in love with it. So after cleaning my makeup, I went ahead to wear my wig just to make sure I cleaned the right place. I hope you guys are seeing what I am doing. Yeah, trying to make sure, taking my time. So I'll take my my wig off, and this is the glue I'm talking about, you guys. This glue is the baba of the baba. I am in love with this particular glue. Oh, so this is what I'm going to be using. So this is my first layer. Yeah, my first layer basically. So I'll be doing 3 coats. So that's so yes, 3 coats basically. So this one was my first one, and yeah, I don't know if I have the link to this, or if I have, I'm going to drop the link on my description box in case you want to buy the wig. Go ahead and buy the wig. So this wig came pre-plucked, but I didn't really love the way it came, so I have to pluck it myself again. The only thing I didn't do was I didn't bleach the knots, because when it comes to bleaching knots, I can destroy that thing for Africa. But yeah, so I think this is my second layer. You guys, this stuff took forever to dry. So it's just so funny how I don't know the name of what I am using. I think this is face powder from Maybelline, because I didn't bleach the knots. That's what I am using. So I actually made is it a lace thing to that? So yeah, I actually made that myself, which you guys are going to be seeing in a minute, and I am in love. There's this particular foundation that I have. Is not really my shade, so ever since I bought this foundation, I have not used the foundation. I was like, let me just, you get, the thing came out really nice, which I'm going to be spraying after using this face powder. So this is what I'm talking about, you guys. I actually made this myself, so I'll just go ahead and spray this all over. So I'm going to be spraying it all over the lace. And I also went ahead to use my blow dryer to make sure everything is wet dried, because I don't want a wet wig. I mean, not yet. So that's what I'm doing. I actually took my time to do this stuff. I took my time. Okay. So yeah, I'm using my blow dryer to blow it to make sure the thing is well dried. That's what I am doing. So it's actually giving me what it should be giving me already. So I went ahead to wear my wig, and now it's time for me to like install my wig. I think right now my glue is dried already, but I have not pressed the wig onto my head. I don't know why I'm laughing anyway. So I'm trying to make sure everything is intact. Like, I don't know. In this video, I was being careful from the beginning, like from the start to finish. Like, I mean, so after I did the stuff, and I'm just using my comb to press the wig on my head. So I also went ahead to use my blow dryer. The more I press, the more I use my blow dryer to make sure the thing is getting dried before I use my headband to tie my wig. You guys, I can't really believe I tied my wig for like, I think, 20 minutes. I almost suffocated. But beauty is paid. So yeah, beauty is paid. I'm not going to lie. 20 minutes, eh? So yeah, because I really want this wig to be really, really flawless, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to like explain. I'm not really good at making voiceover, so after 20 minutes, this is what we have. I needed to like remove my headband. I don't know, I always make mistake. Headband, yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So right now I'm going to make sure the wig is well secured on the back. So this wig, the moment I wore this wig, it's like these people you actually use my head to sew this wig. Like, it fits in properly. I was like, wow, the wig was not stressful at all. So I'm using my scissors to cut the excess lace, but you guys know already I'm going to be using my eyebrow razor. There's this new method I saw somebody using, so I'm going to be using it. I'm just going to so I'm not cutting. As you can see, I just use the eyebrow razor. I'm pressing it to my head and I just pull. I don't know if I actually explained that place properly, but I just hope you can see what I'm doing. I press, then I pull. So yeah, after that, you see, this is what we have. So there was a little bit of lifting, so I went ahead to use a little bit of glue just to make sure everything is intact. So that's what I am doing right here. I'm almost done with the installation now. So I think here we have 14 minutes and 40 seconds video, but it took me like 5 hours to do this install you guys are seeing. So yeah, so I went ahead to use my contour palette. I don't want to use foundation, obviously. So yeah, this eyeshadow is actually an eyeshadow, you guys. But I turned it to a contour palette because why not? It does the job. So I went ahead to use my spray just to make sure I went ahead to use my spray. As you guys can see, I'm not spraying it directly. I'm spraying it on my hand and just apply it on my head. So yeah, that's what I am doing. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and tie my wig. I think I'll leave this for like 10 minutes. So each time I use the normal spray, I actually leave it for like 5 minutes, 4 minutes or so. So I'll just leave it for like 10 minutes and just blow dry. Why not blow dry it so that the thing will get dry properly, easily, obviously. So I'll take off the tie after 10 minutes is over. So this is what we have right here. I knew I was going for baby hairs. Like, why not? Like, after installing your wig, you are telling me you're not doing it, baby. Come on, baby girl. Come on, come on. So I went ahead to bring out some hairs which I'm going to be using for my baby hairs. So right now I'm using some foundation just to make sure the parting is actually parting. So yeah, you guys, because this hair was really this hair is stubborn, but it's really soft. In my spray bottle I have condition and water. So yeah, the hair is really soft, but it need a lot of products before this hair will start corresponding to your taste. So yeah, I'm just using my comb to make sure. Using my comb to comb, obviously. So using my mousse, you guys. There is this particular mousse that I love. I don't want to use it on this wig because I don't want to finish it. So I was using the one I bought from the supermarket. So this hair is really soft. Come on, baby girl. The hair is really soft. Like, I think as I'm making this voiceover, I have this wig on, and I don't have any bonnet on my head, and I like. Let me not talk too much, anyways. So yeah, I'm still making sure I'm combing the wig. So the wig is 20 inches. Yeah, in 20 inches, I believe. Yeah, because I bought 20 inches or that. So yeah, 20 inches. Yeah, or I don't know, 20 inches. So right now, you guys, I'm going to be braiding my wig. Yeah, I went ahead to braid because I didn't want to like just have this particular hairstyle. I wanted to like change a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. So one thing I love about this wig, two things I love about this wig is that one, the cap fits my head properly, like no complaint about that. And secondly, the wig, like the thing is really soft and it's so easy to work with. As you guys can see, I was not stressed out filming this video. So we are almost done right here, you guys. So I had to use my raffle comb just to trim where I don't want. So yeah, you guys, I think I'm done installing this wig right here. I was really tired. I said I was going to the bank or after making this video, but no, I was tired, obviously. So this is what we have. So I'm done with the installation video, you guys. Tell me what you think. I'll try my best to leave the link to this in my description box. Bye guys.